Good morning, everybody. It is September 2nd, 8:24 a.m. Time for the 10th installment of my card collection. This will be the last of the card cases. I may have one more video of loose ones that are on my desk, but we're rolling up on the last of the videos. Alright. So, tomorrow will be another payment for our Disney World trip. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. Now, a lot of this is going to be like emergency style vehicles that are in this car case. So this one looks like it's the state of New Jersey police car. Not 100% sure if you can read that badge that's on the side of that. Looks like most of this is also Matchbox too. I like these old Matchbox tow trucks that they have the working boom with a hook. Most of the tow trucks these days are just like a solid boom and doesn't do anything. You know, we got ourselves a tank with the desert camouflage on it. Getting a little bit of glare out that window. Let me take care of that real quick. There we go. Now, a little Isuzu tractor, I think. Oh no, sorry, it's an Isuzu Rodeo. That's what the bottom of it says. Let's see if I can read what this one says. This one is a Florida police car. At least that's what the door says. Alright, next is the California Highway Patrol car. So this one says it's a New York State Patrol car. There's another Easy Rodeo. Now this is definitely a car that when I do ever get to that point, I will restore this thing. Now this was teamed up with this right here. So that would be the colors that this one would need to be. As you see, it says Better Days. Alright. So this one says it's a Texas State Trooper car. Right down the hood is a State Trooper. Have some of these guys on my wall. And this one is just a fire chief's car. That's what they're gonna probably should turn on my bedroom light. Give me a second. Let me take care of that. Alright, there we go. Alright, let's see what this one is. I really can't see because the lettering is like super tiny. So I'm not 100% sure which state police this one is. And next is an ambulance. Got the whole working back door. Nothing really in it. Okay, so that's half that car case. I'm in a Humvee with the desert camouflage. Tow truck that probably needs to be repainted in the original color scheme. So I'd have to look it up to see what that was. And then my attempt at a prison bus. This is partial towing. Get the police on me. To get the BMW. Sorry, my hand tremors are really acting up today. Okay, so time to the last sleeve of this car case. Another of the Fords. There's the SWAT van. think the suspension's giving out in front of this one. It really doesn't want to roll very well. Well, I sure hope you've enjoyed the car collection up to this point. I said there's probably only going to be one more video for the car collection. That was the last of the car cases. I got some stuff in a box here behind the camera. I get so shallow. So there's probably one, maybe two more videos. We'll see. Let's see how quickly I get through what's loose. And then we'll decide that. So, if you have not yet, why don't you hit that subscribe button and hit that little bell up in the corner, and that'll notify you anytime I put out something new. Also, give me a thumbs up if you like cars. If you like collectible cars as much as I do. So until we see each other again tomorrow, bye-bye.